How's it going, everybody? It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. We're still in Ensenada, Mexico, and the next spot is going to be a place called Bahia Seafood of Ensenada. So this place is something I want to go to because they have oysters. Excited to try Bahia Seafood of Ensenada. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that. And with that, I'm going to show you everything in this video of Bahia Seafood. Bahia Seafood of Ensenada. Okay, so they're preparing the oysters here, the oystion. I ordered a dozen cocina, a dozen cooked, and then a dozen fresh. They're preparing it right here off of the Adolfo Lopez Mateos, Mariscos Bahia de Ensenada here, and it's, yeah, I mean, I've been craving oysters, and this is the spot where I can get my oyster fix. The lovely senoritas are preparing the oysters for me right now. They have the red onions, tomatoes, and some sauce with it too that's cooking on the grill. Looks fantastic, looks amazing. Can't wait to try some oysters here today. Okay, as she prepares that, I'm gonna take myself back to my seat here. Not trying to compromise much battery life, because I don't have much battery. I'm running on 2 bars right now. Hopefully I have an extra battery. Wait for these oysters. Yeah, excited to try some oysters here. A little bit of some chips, some salsa, some lime. I might just do another 24. Total 48 oysters, maybe 48 oysters. We'll do another 24 because I got 12 dozen fresh, 12 dozen cooked, and maybe do another round. Muchas gracias.
Clam?
Oh, muchas gracias, fresh clams. Wow. Let me see cosa. Same thing. This Buddha. Yeah. Asa. Yeah. Gracias. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna try these clams, man. Try these clams that they have here. Fresh clams. Look at these clams. It comes with like a little wafer, crackers. Scoop it into the cracker. Oh yeah, check that out. That's fresh clam, man. This is fresh clammy goodness. Put it on that cracker, and then sprinkle some lime on it. Yes. All right, here we go. First bite of the Bahia Seafood, and bite. Oh yeah. Wow, fresh clam, the cucumbers, the tomatoes, the texture, coupled with that clam, that fresh clam, that's delicious. And the sauce element they have on there too, kind of a tangy sauce. Maybe it's a tamarind sauce, but that is delicious. All right, more clam, raw, fresh clam. That is great. Okay, another bite. Fantastic. Wow. Pure freshness. Aquí. Muchas gracias. I love Mexico. How many oysters is that? 48? 48. Oh, gracias. 48 oysters shucked. 2 dozen cooked, 2 dozen fresh oysters. All right, been waiting for this. Time to get started. Let's go. Take the shot. This is an oyster shooter. Shot of the oyster. This is shots de oystion. There's an oyster in there. So Cheers. Not much of a shooter, but you gotta enjoy that. But I am kind of parched. I want to drink some of this Indio brew here. Cheers. All right, time for oysters. Let's go with the cooked ones first. Sprinkle some lime on that. There we go. First bite of the oysters, the cooked one. And then get it. Yeah. Wow, that tamarind sauce, that's fantastic. I love it. Yeah. Immediately, the cooked oysters, you have that nice char, that smokiness from it, with the lime. Before I move on, I'm gonna try the fresh oysters now. There it is. Bring some of these crackers here. These crackers are actually really delicious. Okay, sprinkle some lime on these fresh raw oysters. All right, and I have a cracker ready for me on hand. Okay, this one I could kind of chuck in my mouth. Here we go. And bite. Oh yeah. Yeah, there it is. The freshness of the oyster. That lime, yeah, that is just like gelatinous. Yeah, excelentemente ostión. Wow. Okay, what I'll do is I'll break it off first so it's good to go. And let me just drench this entire plate. That way I don't need to put the lime. Just put the lime all over it. Okay, here we go. And bite. Oh wow. Alright. Chase it with that cracker. It breaks down that like seafoodiness from the oyster. Oh yeah, that slid right off. Chase. Okay, we have a lot of oysters to go. 48 in total. Greg's here, helping me out. So we got this. We just ate earlier too at Tacos Phoenix, but we're here for the oysters. Enjoy the time lapse. All right, let's get on this oyster shooter. Straight up with a cracker. Check it out. We just finished here at Bahia Seafood of Ensenada. I wanted to get a picture of all the oysters we finished up, but she had took it away. But you can see we cleared up our table. Yeah, this is just the spot. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna kind of walk around, do some more touring of Ensenada. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.